Hello, hello. Good afternoon, my people. Good afternoon, Abiandoma. Kebu TV. And today is another beautiful day, bringing another a spring of hope. Yes, a spring of hope. Now, village anabo Nkpa village. Yes, Nkpa is also in Bend, the local government. So, but they go one from Ottawa heading to Okigwe along that express Nkpa Junction. But as you bridge Nkpa Junction, it has a masaka. Your entrance will village Nkpa-Umuezike, and it's about 5 kilometers. The construction now indigenous construction firm and Cosmos Engineering Nigerian Limited. His Excellency Dr. Otti, in his plan and also his bid to reconnect most villages and also most communities on now swing gaga. I got about 11 kilometers, 11 point something kilometers. Handled by CCECC, Chinese Engineering, Civil Engineering Construction Firm. And also this one was also being done by an indigenous construction firm, Cosmos Engineering Construction Limited. So, Nkpa village. But don't worry, him you sure you got to let them take us. They are to deliver 5 kilometers, but let them take us to determination point so that Kamama, His Excellency Dr. Otti, or roller here and the Femanaro, also 12 kilometers, how 300 meters, a quarter hack, say photo. So, Master, that I want to see determination points of this very place here. And a royal was has him, yes, no way, Tade no, Tadro no. Eli and you big on even do one away or end and not about the starting point of the construction. This are the ongoing by now. So this is also the third road with the termination points. Yes, but there's something I also need to tell you. When we are showing working, when we are showing our capacity, when we are showing why we are different or why we choose New Abia, the evidence are all on grounds. Now, looking around this very third road now, you can as well known or seen. Now here those third road are named Akuchie Edowa. Here third road in that name where drainage. Over them need to also any road name where drainage. Only way that adverse effect name me swa everywhere. Me everywhere. Next thing more cause with erosion. So from Nkpa village here be there third road kwesere. Yes. So as them come to some of these things here be there third road kwesere. So what His Excellency is doing now is around 5 kilometers from that Nkpa-Umuezike and Umuda to this very place, so about 5 kilometers. And then thank God also on coming to the site, we met in the engineers and also them on duty. In fact, all hammer. Because why did the president because they know what they are doing. Had the on grants, when do have a cover, which you haga, and I make which I feel maga, which yaga, or gabapuri. So all help why be able today. So stay tuned on Kebu and also always believing in us and also always follow us on all social media platforms. So we'll also be showing you everything hard roller, what I see big drainages. You can kill drainages. And another thing to add, you can want this very one now, but more sizable and also more spacious to compare with Nkedi at hand. So stay tuned on Kebu TV and also follow us, like, share, and comment. Stay tuned and also stay blessed. So, sir, may we meet you?
Yeah, I'm Engineer Daniel Abubakar, representing Cosmos Engineering Limited.
Yeah, can we tell our people where we are today?
Yeah, we are at Nkpa-Umuezike-Ofeme-Umuda, Nkpa local government in Abia State,
Abia North.
Yes.
Abia North Senatorial
District.
Yes.
So
I've seen that there's ongoing construction going on.
Yes.
I also see the excavator and some of the earth moving equipment, also heavy duty trucks.
Yeah.
So the rainy season is around the corner.
Yes.
I've also seen that a lot of drainage have also been achieved. And I also noticed that their road is somehow so hilly, several areas, meaning that it's prone to erosion. So what could be your challenge in this very
Yeah, when we came in, really, yeah, you are really correct on that. Because we had to do a lot of cuttings from the express to down to the Nkpa village. A lot of cuttings in order to control the erosion and all that. But so far, so good. We have been able to curtail the flow of water.
Yeah. So what's the support from the villagers, Ndeze, and the youth?
Yeah, they've been supportive. Yeah, they've been supportive from the Eze, the youths, and the chiefs. We also have chiefs here, and sometimes I think there are chairmen also. Yeah, around the villagers, the village communities as well.
Yeah. So what's the length of this very project in terms of kilometer?
Yeah, it's 4.7 kilometers, stretched to 5 kilometers.
Yeah. But when we drove from the express junction to the termination point, we saw an existing asphalt without drainage. What are you guys planning to do concerning that very? Because you guys are putting both side drainages and the termination point doesn't have a drainage. Does it? Can you work?
That does not conform with engineering standards, really. And so, one of the visits of the commissioner, we drew his attention to that, and commissioner, being a professional himself, saw the need for approval. So, as we speak, it has been approved for us to discharge our 750 to 600 down to where we have the other village in there and where we have an existing 600 drain.
Yeah, and I also heard that you guys face a lot of challenge in terms of compensating some property owners and villagers that their fence were affected, because I can see the expansion of the road.
Yeah.
About the asphalt is about 7 point something meters.
Yeah, the total from what the constructed drain, we have a 10.3, 1.5 for each of the shoulders, left hand side and right hand side. Then the carriage is 7.3. So this is the design for the road based on the economic value the road we definitely bring to the table after the construction.
So total about 5 kilometers in length. What hope do you give Abians, the villagers, Umuezike-Ofeme-Umuda, and also Nkpa, and the general communities towards the completion of this project?
Oh yes, 100%. Because I want to really commend the efforts of the governor. Number one is in fact the everything. I'll go to everything, and the commissioner is really a very good person. Accessible. You can go to his office, you can meet with him and all that. He comes to the sites. I can't even tell you how many times the commissioner has visited. He comes here, so he can just bust in at any time. So there's that closeness. So no aspect of where anything is lagging or something. The communication is there, and that alone is the hope we are really giving to the villagers, the communities, that this road will be completed before maybe immediately after the rainy season.
Yeah,
we should be gearing towards completion.
The last but not the least, but from the existing asphalt or hard road that I saw, it cannot go well with this standard that I'm saying. It seems that the villagers Nkpa-Umuezike and Umuda, respectively, they have not seen this type of massive development.
Yes.
For a very long time.
Yes, you talked.
And I also saw that they are farmers, farmers doing their
you're right.
rice and all whatever.
Yeah,
so what's your take home, and also what's the advice to the villagers that are going to witness a very massive road, accessible road, both side drainages, cutting across the 5 kilometer, in terms of speeding when completed? Because I know they speed anyhow.
Yes, you are right, definitely. Even as you can see, we are on stone base, and the remaining part of the earthwork, and rounding up some cuttings at the express.
Yeah.
Even the way they drive now, we do caution them, even though we are going to make provisions for speed breakers and the rest, So, but again, you talked about challenges. Yeah, these people, their major occupation here is the oil manufacturing. You can see.
Yes, palm kernel.
Yeah, palm kernel and all that. And I think they do rice too. Yes, we heard that they do rice as well. So far, no much of issues that we've not been able to curtail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for speaking with us, and also
thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
My engineer representing Cosmos Engineering Nigerian Limited. I don't know Nkpa. So stay tuned for more jigs. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Otti, what are you having?
aha m Chinwe Chinonso Anthony.
Yeah, ele ebe anyị na-ebe ugbu a.
Ebe ahụ nọ n'ebe a na-akpọ ya Nkpa-Umuezike-Ofeme.
Yes. Eji aga Mkpa.
Mkpa, yes, ishikwa ebe oli dikwara Umuda Mkpa. From I nwekwara another shortcut lead dikwara to Ude. So only there is so many places.
Yeah, Abraham village, ma ba una village a na-eme ihe farming. Nkwu so many things. If Abraham no ụlọ ya, ebe onye nwere na-arụ ọrụ, anya ma ahụkwa na-arụ uru n'ụzọ. Ele otu obi dị gị n'ụzọ a na-arụ.
Anyway, na site na amara nke Chineke, obi dị anyị ụtọ nke ukwuu. Na gọọmenti Alesi Otti, gọvanọ bụ Alesi Otti mechara cheta obodo anyị bụ Umuezike-Ofeme. Na ihe ọma dị otu a, obi dị anyị ụtọ nke ukwuu. I mere appreciate.
Yes. Maka m ga-arịọ to ma ba hụ na ebe enweturu taadị n'ime ebe a. Ebe a ga-arụrụ nnọọ kwesị gụpụ unu n'ọkụ before. Because ahụ na from express road to that extreme end ebe ahụ ka m hụrụ taadị. But ndị ọba hụzira nke ọma, you must say there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Nke ọma na Aruba bụ all this wider.
Yes.
And obu ma drainage and so many things. So ị na-akọwa na arụcha ụzọ a, how will you feel?
Very more development. And that is everybody got it very, very happy. Even with this one, we are happy. We are grateful. So ana arịọkwa Chineke onye metụtara onye isi anyị aka n'obi ka Chineke mekwere ya amara, nyekwe ya more grace, provide kwara ya more ka onwe ike support kwa more ka dị ọrụ na-agakwa na yes.
Nke na anụ ntiri mmanụ ego maka ụzọ wa na-arụrụ ugwu ji mmanụ ego.
Ọwụghị ya mere. Dede ka ịgwa n'ebe ị hụrụ mmanụ. Ọkụ ị hụrụ na nkwụ adịghị n'afọ a. Nkwụ adịghị. So asịkasị ọhịa ka anyị na-eji na-ama na-ejiri onwe anyị na-apasịrị time every blessed day.
Wow.
From Monday till every blessed day.
Here our company nkwụ nnọọ.
Ọwụghị na Chineke ji agọzi obodo anyị asha. Yes.
Unu azụ na-emekwa ma rice.
Yes. Obodo a obodo Chineke chọrọ mma, Chineke gọziri obodo a.
So ị na-akọwa na onye hụ onye n'ọkpụkpụ ya ebe a chọrọ ebe elu nwaanyị.
Child dị free bịa wa nnọọ bịawa agụrụ aga egbugi ụzọ adịgo.
Ife adịgo.
Yes, ihe adịgo.
Ahụrụ m ọkụ nke m bịara taa.
Ọkụ dịkwa, yes. Iji gwa gị that na Chineke echetala obodo anyị.
Yeah, so let your final prayer to His Excellency Dr. Chioma Otti. Ịnọgide ebe ọ nọ na gọọmenti azụ si mkpa ka echeta ndị Ofeme, Umuezike, Mkpa, and so many other areas, villages in the community.
Yes, ihe nwere ikwu ịrịọ Chineke onye mere ka o cheta obodo anyị bụ Umuezike-Ofeme because ọ dịghị easy. From since ruo now, Chineke ma amara ji ya wee cheta obodo a. So ihe m na-arịọ Chineke bi n'igwe onye menyere ya amara ya wee bido this project ka Chineke nyekwe ya the same amara ka o nwee ike complete ira ya bụ ụzọ nyekwa ya ogologo ndụ ahụ isi ike ndị ọjọọ agaghị ahụ ụzọ ahụ ya n'aha Jizọs.
Amen.